Warning, this is how I personally complete each project. I do have some mechanical and electrical knowledge. Use this video at your own risk. I am not and will not be responsible for any damage that may occur while you attempt to repeat as I do. Always follow all manufacturer warnings and instructions. Consult a professional if you are unsure.
DADDYGVILLE'S world.
What's up, guys? This one here is on windshield wipers, and a lot of vehicles like this van we have, it has a windshield wiper in the back, on the back window on the outside there. If it does not work, don't freak out and be like, oh, I need to do windshield wiper motor. A lot of times it's just a fuse. Now, instead of the button for being, I got the wipers, the front wipers up here on the column, and then there's a button down at the bottom underneath the climate controls that we click on, and it does it, automatically. Alright, now I'm going to start the van up, and I'm going to show you it does not work. Before you go to a shop and they're ripping you off, saying you need a new windshield wiper motor for the back, check your fuses. It's very simple. A lot of fuse panels, they're either on the driver's side, on the side of the dash, underneath the dash. Now ours is on the passenger side. There's a little panel you pull off, and I'll show you that.
Hi guys, I'm helping Daddy.
Alright, here's the side panel, and right here it is. See where it says fuses? Just take it and pop it off, and then see right here is the diagram on it for the color of fuse and what size you need and everything. And then here's the actual fuse panel. So what you need to do, see, and then I got my fuses here that I have. What we need to do is look on here and look for RRW or something like that. Let's see, it is, hold that. Let's see. Oh, let's see, like it'll tell you exactly where it's at. And you just, right here, and see it, so it was right here's ours, right here is windshield wipers and washer fluid. Alright, and then right on it, I just pulled it off here, is that, you can use this to clip it off. Alright, and then this is how we do this. Alright, usually it is numbered right here. I don't know if you guys can, if my camera will even focus on it right there. There we go. Right there it is. Okay, usually they're numbered on here or down here on the panel, but mine is not. But we know it's 20 fuse, it's 4 over, so 1, 2, 3, 4, then it's 4 down, 1, 2, 3, and this makes the 4th one. So this one's here is the one we need to pull, and I'm gonna pull it out right now. And then here we go. And right here is where it's blowed. I don't know if you guys can see this. I'm gonna scoot it into the camera.
Make a focus.
Alright, now here's the good fuse. Now I'm just going to plug it back in. Alright, 20 amp. There we go. Brand new one's in. And I'm going to check some other ones and see if I got any more blowed fuses. So hopefully I don't. I think I got 1 or 2 more, but here's showing you how it works. Okay. Alright, that's the end of this video. That's how you do replace a fuse for your back wipers. That way you don't get ripped off at a mechanic shop. See you until next video. Bye.
Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a video.
You're getting all hung up on imaginary problems. You gotta focus on what's real, man.